Thank you for your interest in FoxBound. In this short demo, we're going to take a look at the FoxBound interface, and I'm going to explain the functionality available within the tool. In a short summary, sales automation is a powerful way that enables sales reps to increase productivity and can exponentially speed up the outbound B2B lead generation process. That said, we offer 3 crucial components that enable sales reps to be more effective. 1, we serve as an email finder and email validation tool. We call this Data Scout. FoxBound can also send outbound emails within a personalized cadence and report on open rates, click rates, and reply rates. This is called pursuits. And lastly, DataDen is a data repository with 60+ million already verified contacts. So let's get started within our integration section so I can explain how this works. Integrating with Gmail and Outlook will enable you to send emails from FoxBound and through your email account. Emails will appear the same for prospects, except your outbound campaigns are triggered from the FoxBound platform. You'll notice that we also have native integrations with HubSpot and Salesforce, and there will be more integrations to come as customers submit integration requests. Under email settings, you'll be able to set up your account deliverability settings. That includes the times emails can be sent out, days of the week, time zone, and your signature. You can also set up deliverability at the campaign level just in case you work with clients in different time zones. Now that those settings are enabled, we can deep dive into Data Scout. I'll begin within the Google Chrome store since this is where you'll be able to download the FoxBound extension. Once downloaded, you'll be able to see the FoxBound logo at the top right of your browser. Now, to show you how this works, I've opened up my LinkedIn account. You'll notice that I'm using the free version of LinkedIn. The same can be done with LinkedIn Premium or LinkedIn Navigator. I've already created a quick search. You can see my criteria at the top. So once you're ready to create an email list, you can select the FoxBound extension at the top right of your browser and begin by creating a list name. For the sake of this overview, I'm going to select my pre-existing list name called FoxBound Demo. Here, we can begin to review the contacts within the extension to decide if we want to add them to the new list or not. I can select all contacts, or depending on my criteria for my segmentation strategy, I can select some contacts. Once you're ready, you can select the Add Contacts button. What is happening right now is that our internal algorithms are computing the email addresses and adding them to FoxBound. Note that the extension can only capture emails 1 page at a time. Continue following this process until you have your ideal sample size. And once you're ready to view your list, you can select the list icon at the top. In the list section, you can review your list further before associating contacts to a campaign. You'll notice categories of emails represented by different icons. These categories will help you understand which emails are valid and verified or invalid. There are a couple reasons why FoxBound and other vendors in this space cannot capture these invalid email addresses. Some of those reasons include domain not found, a catch-all email account, an email domain could be different than the web domain, or a person's name on LinkedIn is different than their actual email address and includes something like a prefix, a middle initial, or a maiden name. Although these are things out of our control, we still give users the ability to see the results so they can choose whether they want to use these email addresses or not. Once the list has been reviewed, you can select all contacts and add them to the pursuit, or select some contacts. This is what a pursuit should look like once steps have been configured with your unique messaging. To get started, you can select the Add New Step button to create your first email step. Here, you have several options to configure how many days from the first email the second email will be sent. You can also select a new thread or select the same thread as a previous email. Before launching the pursuit, something that is unique to FoxBound is a capability called Fox Logic. Emails can be hyper-personalized at every step of the cadence by clicking the Schedule button at the top right. Fox Logic allows you to quickly look up information about either the prospect or the prospect's company in order to personalize and increase reply rates. Once you've taken some time to personalize, you can either save your campaign or launch it. Once a pursuit is launched, you'll start seeing the results immediately in the reporting section. And that wraps up our quick demo. Thank you for your interest in FoxBound, and if you have any additional questions, please contact us at sales@foxbound.io.